Remember, the orientation period is just the beginning of your nursing career as a new graduate nurse.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness.
The channel where nurses learn strategies to navigate the complexities of the healthcare system and break the barriers which limit them from succeeding. I'm Bernice Odudu, your host. I help new graduates and immigrant nurses to build confidence, overcome cultural shock at work, and improve their career. Today's episode is on how a new graduate nurse can maximize orientation period. The orientation period is an essential time for a nurse to acclimatize to new role, gain confidence, and build a solid foundation for the nursing career. As a new graduate entering the professional world, one of the first steps towards a successful career is the orientation process. Orientation serves as a crucial foundation for nurses joining in a new workplace, providing essential information, introducing key stakeholders, and helping to understand the organizational culture. While orientation programs are designed to facilitate a smooth transition, it is up to each nurse to make the most of this valuable opportunity. By actively engaging in the orientation process, a nurse can accelerate integration, establish meaningful connections, and gain deeper knowledge of the organization. This episode aims to guide a nurse on how to maximize orientation as a new graduate, setting up for success right from the start. To help you make the most of this period, here are 10 valuable tips to maximize your orientation. 1. Be proactive and enthusiastic. Go into your orientation time with positive attitude and willingness to learn. Do things on your own. Ask questions and look for ways to help with various aspects of patient care. Seek for new skills. 2. Build strong connections. It is very important to get to know your coworkers, preceptors, and other people on the healthcare team. Introduce yourself, be nice, and show that you want to work with the team and make a contribution. 3. Make your goals clear. Set clear goals for your orientation time, like learning how to do certain nursing tasks or getting used to how the hospital works. This will help you keep your mind on what you need to do during the introduction. 4. Ask for feedback. Ask your preceptor and other nurses with more experience for feedback. Ask for feedback on a regular basis and use it to improve your skills and understanding. If you don't understand something, don't be afraid to ask for help. 5. Take advantage of learning opportunities. Use any resources for learning or workshops that are available during your orientation. To improve your skills, you must attend to relevant training sessions, shadow experienced nurses, and do hands-on learning. 6. Develop time management skills. Efficient time management is important in nursing. Use your orientation time to learn how to organize your tasks, decide which patient care is most important, and use your time well. Ask experienced nurses for tips on how to save time. 7. Be flexible. The healthcare field is always changing and evolving. During your introduction time, try to be flexible and open to change. Learn how to deal with the unexpected. Be willing to try new things and quickly adjust to the needs of different patients. 8. Take care of yourself. Nursing can be hard on your body and your mind, so self-care should be top priority during your orientation. Get enough sleep, eat well, and do things that help you unwind and feel better. Taking care of yourself will help you help other people in the best way possible. 9. Think about what you have learned. during the introduction period. Take time to think about what you have learned. Think about what went well, what didn't go well, and whatever you learned from it. Use these ideas to think about keeping growing as a nurse. 10. Build a business network. In nursing, it is important to have a network. Take advantage of orientation time to get to know the nurses, nurse managers, and other professionals who work at your healthcare center. Attend nurse events, join professional organizations, and take part in interactions that foster teamwork and professional growth. Remember, the orientation period is just the beginning of your nursing career as a new graduate nurse. Embrace this time as an opportunity to learn, grow, and become the best nurse you can be. Stay confident, stay curious, and never stop seeking knowledge. Good luck. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned some valuable practical tips to help you maximize your orientation period. Should you, as a seasoned nurse, decide to change your current position or organization, these tips can also help you succeed. Please subscribe and share your comments and let me know which aspect of nursing issues or topics you would like me to discuss and explore. See you in the next video. Thank you. Remember, a caring heart makes a difference.
I wish I knew.